We are UFC Army from the beautiful country of Suriname. We will teach you a few basic steps of our 6 main cultures.
The indigenous people are the first inhabitants of Suriname. They mainly live in the Surinamese interior. Raisa is wearing one of the traditional dresses called the saya.
Hi everyone, I will be teaching you the basic step of the indigenous dance. We move forward and backwards while crossing our arms and release. Forward, back, forward, back.
The Creoles are the descendants from Africa and came here as slaves. Safira is wearing one of the traditional dresses called the koto and the anisa.
Odi Odi, I'm gonna teach you some basic moves of the koto dansi. You make big movements in this beautiful dress. You make forward movements and backwards. You can do it in a circle. And you can do a hop where the left leg goes up first and the right leg goes up second, like this.
The Maroons of Suriname are also descendants from African slaves. They freed themselves from slavery and settled in the Surinamese interior where they lived in tribes. Nerfil is wearing one of the traditional dresses called the Nai Pangi. Sometimes they wear a traditional hairstyle and kawai around their ankles.
Today I will teach you 3 basic steps of one of our 6 Maroon cultures. The first one is called the chocho, which means stamping. Please note every step is low. Okay, so you make 3 steps to the front, 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps to both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the second one is called the manenge futu. That means that is how men dance. Please note the steps are on the ball of your feet and low. Yeah, so you cross your feet and then hop back and 3 steps to the side. 1, 2, 3. And second one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the third one, that is optional. You place your hands like a bowl like this, and then you clap. And remember, low.
After the abolition of slavery, the Chinese migrated from China to Suriname as the first contractors. Latifa is wearing one of the traditional dresses called the chipao.
Hi everyone, I will be teaching you a few of the Chinese steps. We do a lot of movements with our arms, just like this. And we add our feet, like this. And you can also make a turn, like this. Another movement is one where you make a flowing movement with your arms while leaning to the back. The next step is a circular movement with your arms, just like this. And those are the few Chinese steps.
The Indian people migrated from India to Suriname and came here as contract laborers. Raisa is wearing one of the traditional dresses called the sari.
Hi everyone, I will be teaching you the basic step of the Indian dance. Your hands go forward and your hands go to the side. Don't forget your shoulders. Then we step forward and back and turn, turn, turn.
The Japanese people left Indonesia to work as contract laborers in the Surinamese plantations. Shanice is wearing one of the traditional dresses called the sarong, slendang, and klambi.
Hi, today I'm going to show you a few steps of the Japanese. The first position is put your arms like this, bend on your leg and lean on your hip like this. Then you cross over and you're making a circle like this. Don't forget your arms are going up and down. Then the next step is put your arms in the air and lift your hip like this, 1 and 2. And then you're making a crossover forward to the back, 1, 2, and your arms are going opposite of your leg, 1, 2. Step over and put your arms like this, and your arms are going flowy. The end position is the same step as the first one. Bend your leg, lean on your hip, and bring your arms forward to your face and open up and lean to that side. And your fingers are a little bit fabulous.
So, are you ready to dance with us? Yay, let's dance!
Gusti ora rugi